Mr. Pteranodon, we are Little Panda Rescue Team. Little heroes of the rescue team, please help me. I can't fly. Mr. Pteranodon, we are Little Panda Rescue Team. Little heroes of the rescue team, please help me. I can't fly. Don't worry. Let's have a physical checkup first. Magic Watch. Activate the checkup device. The results show that Mr. Pteranodon is weak and undernourished. When scanning its wings, we have found many wounds that need immediate treatment. This is the sticky worm that can heal the wounds. Let's find some. Let's check out where the stickworms are hiding. Mr. Pteranodon, we've found sticky worms. Let's give you treatment right away. Thank you, guys. My wings are getting much better. Great! I'm starving and have no strength. Don't worry. I can turn into Mechanical Pteranodon and help you with fishing. Magic Watch. Activate the transformation device. Captain Kiki, Super Transformation! Mr. Pteranodon wants to eat these fish. Please help find these fish. check them out. We've caught all the fish. Let's bring them to Mr. Pteranodon. Mr. Pteranodon, here are your fish. Pteranodon is a carnivorous animal that likes to eat fish.
I can fly high up in the sky again.